Okay, I'm going to show you how to update your clock or change your clock on the Honda Civic system, and it's the same with most Hondas, late model Hondas. This is 2018. So daylight savings time comes around and maybe your clock didn't change. Maybe it did, I don't know, but maybe you want to change it. So this is how you do it. You go into settings and you press clock. Let's try again. Press clock. And then you can have it set to auto daylight savings time is on. So if you want it to automatically adjust, which we have it on there, but if you need to adjust it in any way, maybe it didn't, maybe it's 5 minutes off or whatever. Maybe you like your clock 5 minutes off so you get someplace early. I don't know. But here, this is where you can go in and change it. So it's 8:47. You just push this, just change it however you want to change it, and then you know, and you just press OK. And it will save it for you. Boom. See, now it's 8:48. So there you go. That's how you change your clock. You can also do 12, 24-hour if you're a military man or woman. There you go. Now it's 20:49. So you can change that too. Put it back. And let's see. You can change the wallpaper that's behind your clock. So you can have got digital little pictures. You can change the display, the way it displays. Have a little analog clock there if you want to. But the background, the wallpaper, you just push that tab there. Go to wallpaper. There's a few here, but some of them are just blank. And then let's see, push back. And there's one galaxy. They put stars there. I don't know if you saw that there. Let's see, not change that one. There's one with time zones. As you can see, it breaks out your time zones. It's pretty cool. But you can load one. You can load your own picture. So if you do add new, and then you'll need to plug your USB device into the USB port, and just load a file onto like a USB drive, and then you can load your own picture on here. If you want to picture your family, your kids, or whatever you want to load on there, you can put your own wallpaper on the background. So that's pretty cool.